Hey everyone, it's Alicia at Verdium, and today I'm joined by Olivia. She is our project manager here, so if you have a project with Verdium, you will definitely interface at some point with Olivia on the behind the scenes things. So today, Olivia, you are going to be telling us a little bit about our website maintenance booster. So that's really important. First, I just want to talk about what it is and what it includes.
Thanks, Alicia. Yeah, the website maintenance package is a great thing to have in your back pocket. It's really for customers who want to send in requests and have us assist with those requests. The package itself is an hourly package, so you may subscribe to 1 hour a month, 2 hours a month, 3 hours a month. And in that time, we can fulfill your requests for you. This typically works through our customer support desk. So you have access to a whole help team where you could just simply send an email and then we're able to fulfill your request. A lot of times customers subscribe to 1 hour of technical support so we can hop in if you guys have any technical questions like with your domain or maybe your hosting, maybe something just falls off for some reason and we need to jump in and fix it for you. That's what your website maintenance time can be used for.
Okay, so now that you kind of led it into the next question, which is why should I get a maintenance package? What might be going on with me that would cause me to need one?
One of the biggest reasons customers come to us for maintenance packages is because their current web developer has gone MIA. We call it the milk carton developer. Like they're missing. You're sending requests, you're trying to get changes on your website, and they're just nowhere to be found. Some companies choose to work with developers who might be doing it part-time. They have a full-time job and they come home and develop, and you might not be getting those timely responses. So for us, we offer website maintenance from 9 to 5, like that we're working the same hours as you. So we're able to answer your questions in real time while you're working. I think what's really nice about the maintenance too is that if we're the ones who build your website, we know your website inside and out. So we're able to hop in quickly and act quick to get you what you need and keep you moving.
All right, so we talked a little bit earlier, you mentioned the ticket system, our support system, and kind of what that looks like. I want to dive into that from the minute someone submits a ticket, how they do that, all the way through to the end when that ticket is completed.
Yeah, so to send in a ticket, super easy. All you got to do is email tickets@verdium.com. On the other end of that, it hits our customer dashboard where each day we have a team of developers or technicians monitoring incoming requests and assigning them out to the best person on the team to help you. So if you have a really technical question, maybe it's something me as a project manager I couldn't help you with, I would assign that out to a developer who would be able to dive in and know exactly what the issue is and get you a resolution. Once you send your ticket in, we typically reply, let you know we got it, we're working on it, when you can expect it back. But if you have a certain timeline or deadline that you want that task to be completed, it's always good to tell us in the email. Send us any screenshots or URLs or links to the pages that you might need fixed or where you want changes. That helps us along. We typically try to resolve all of our tickets within the same week that we receive them. But if for some reason it goes outside of that, we'll try to let you know, like it may take more time. But the good thing to know is that it doesn't end up in an endless pit. Your tickets end up in a queue and they don't go away until they're resolved. So you don't ever have to worry about it kind of like falling into the abyss.
Right, absolutely. So, as Olivia said, that kind of wraps it up with, we're here for you. We are your external marketing and technology partner, and we want to make you look good, and we want to help you with the problems that you are having and get them solved quickly. So if you would like to find out more about Verdium and some of our different products that we offer or our maintenance booster, you can find out more by giving us a call or visiting us online at verdium.com. Thanks again, Olivia.
Thank you.